Hey everybody, Mulkey Films here. Today I just got myself a new desk. Picked this up, Surplus was having a sale. Only thing is, it is a off-white, and what I'm planning to do there, you can see it there, it's not the world's greatest color. It's got kind of a, here, let me see if I can show you. There you go. Yeah, it's just kind of a gray white that really is, I don't know, belongs in an office. So anyways, to try to make it a little more homely, I'm going to attempt to cover it with this wood paper that I just picked up on Amazon. I typed it in as a vinyl covering. When it came in the box, the label on it says it's a wallpaper, but that's alright. It's an experiment. It wasn't all that expensive. So I'm going to see if I can lay it down on my desk and turn it into something a little bit more homely. Oh yeah, and the best part about this desk is picked it up. Surplus was having a sale. It is a power sit stand desk, and it works. So as you can see, and it goes up really high too. So I'll go ahead and raise it up, raise it. Yeah, it can still go a little further even. So there you can see, raising it up. So let's go ahead. I'm going to see if I can lay this vinyl down really quick and take a quick video to show you the results. My strategy is I'm just going to come down, start at this corner, come up around, lay it all the way across. This corner is kind of a gray, so I'm going to leave it. Leave that one alone. I'm going to lay this down all across here, and then you can see I've got a little gap on the back here. So I think I may cut it or I may overlap it a little bit, and we'll see how it turns out. So anyways, let's get to it. Let's give it a shot. And for cutting on this job, I recommend fabric shears if you have them, or a very sharp set of scissors. This is a metal set of scissors that I've had in the office, and pretty sharp, pretty heavy, and do a great job cutting. So these are, it looks like king's head scissors. So there's a quick recommendation. Also, I need to clean these up. Look how dirty those are. Ugh. All right, right off the bat, first thing I did was the roll side is over here, and I'm actually going to start, just to make my life a little easier, I'm going to start sticking it over here, and I'm going to leave this as the cut side, or the beginning of the roll, and because I didn't want to work back in a corner, I rolled it the other way, let the roll fall off the end there. I'm going to cut it right here. So that's a little pro tip. If you're working in a corner, go ahead and start it in the corner you want, and then make your cut. So let's go ahead and cut it up. This is the Amazon page for the product that I used. You can see it's very affordable. I felt like it was a little bit thin. This is a picture of the finished product. It went on pretty smooth. I had a couple issues with wrinkles in the far corner. So here's a little bit of advice. If you have wrinkles, you can go ahead and lift up the vinyl and start again. Or you can use a flat edge and try to push down on the wrinkles. Or you can take a hobby knife and actually slice, make little cuts. And you can start with a wide open area. Don't put your desk right up to the wall when you're trying to put down vinyl. You're going to need a lot of space to work on this. That was kind of a mistake that I made. Anyways, I hope you like what you see. This is Mulkey Films. This is me recovering a desk I got from Surplus sale. If you like what you see, go ahead and click subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, go ahead and send us a note in the comment section below. Thanks.